Hey, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday, January the 2nd. I want to start off by saying Happy New Year. I hope everyone had a fantastic New Year. Welcome to the start of 2020. This is a series that'll show you types and things you expect to see from us here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. This week we opened some boxes. We had a rep come in from Moda, and we made a bunch of kits that we already have shipped out. We hope this year goes really well with this series and among other things that we may be doing. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. And that does it for this week. I want to thank you all so much for watching and keeping up with our channel. As per usual, everything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below that I can find. Once again, I hope y'all had a fantastic New Year's. Hope all your New Year's resolutions have been written out for 2020. If this video is good, be sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and hit the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. And we'll see you next week.